Yes friends, I can guarantee you, I can challenge also that if you are a math lover, then you will definitely enjoy today's concept, what we are going to discuss, what we are going to play today in this game. Because this concept is completely novel, completely new, you will never find anywhere. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Game of Math, जिसमें हम खेलेंगे मैथ के साथ. Yes friends, in this video we will further extend our game to squaring of recurring numbers. In our last video we just played the game with squaring of recurring numbers, that is individual, single numbers starting from 1 to 9. Okay, but today we will extend to 2 digits. Okay, so hold on this video till the end. This is the consecutive third video for squaring of recurring numbers. If new viewer is watching this video, I may request you please click on the I icon or else go to the description, go back to my first and second video, just watch it, understand it fast, then come to this video, then so that you can understand better this particular concept. Yeah friends, in the last video some of my viewers, they just commented that whether the concept what we discussed in squaring of the recurring numbers, it is only applicable from 1 to 9. My friends, not only from 1 to 9, it is applicable for recurring of any number, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 99, 100, 120, any number. If it is recurring, you can apply the same concept to this, and that we are going to discuss today. So let's start. Okay, we will see today. We will take an example, 999 square. Okay, so 9 square, you see 990, so 1 2 3 2 1, we will multiply 1 2 3 2 1 individually with the square of 9, that is 81. Okay, so first with 1 81, second with 2 81 2 162, then third is with 3 81 3 2 4 3. Okay, then again 162, again 81. Okay, so now let you see, these are the single digits. So 1 will be here, 8 will be carry forwarded. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, so this is 70 now, this is 70 now, so 0 will be there, then 17 will be carry forwarded. Okay, because 1 is here, so 17 will be carry forwarded to here, so 7 plus 3 will be 0 again. Okay, then 7 plus 3 0 means 10, already 1 is there, so 2 plus 4, this is 6, now it is converted to 26 plus again 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, then 2 plus 6, again it is coming 18, right? So 18 again, 18 plus 81. Okay, 9, right? This is the square, please check it. So friends, how much time it took? Few seconds only, maximum 10 or maximum 15. Okay, because I was just making you to understand the things, so I was a little bit slow, otherwise maximum 10 seconds will be there. Okay, you see, for simplification, let's take a simple example, 1 1 1 1. 4 times 1 is recurring. What will be the square? As per our previous concept, simply what is the square of 1 is 1. How many times recurring? 4 times recurring. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, further 3 to 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. This is the square value. Now the real game starts. You see, just think that this is not a recurring of 1. Just think that this is recurring of 11. 11 is recurring or repeating twice. Okay, so how to find out the square of this? Okay, dear friends, today's real game started now. You will definitely enjoy. I guarantee you will definitely enjoy. Please share it, please make the video viral, subscribe it also, click the like icon also, click the bell icon also, do it viral, because nowhere you will find, and what you were now getting on this whiteboard, it is not that much easy. It may take few minutes you to get this idea, but it has taken a lot of time from me. So now you see, 11 is recurring. What is the square of 11? That is 1 to 1. How many times recurring? 2 times recurring. So what is the concept? 1 to 1 into 1, 1 to 1 into 2, 1 to 1 into 1. Okay, just like our previous concept 1 to 1, because 2 times recurring, so you will go from 1 to 1 ascending and descending. Then you have to multiply with its square, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So what is the value it is coming? 1 to 1 first term, then comes 242 second term, and 1 to 1 third term. Okay, now what is the square? You see here a twist is that how many numbers you considered here? 2 numbers considered, na? Here how many numbers considered? 1 number considered. So while keeping the numbers here, 2 digits you have to keep in the answer, and 100 plus onwards you have to carry forward. Okay, so what is the answer here? You see 21 will be here, 21 will be here, 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay, now this is 243, 43 will be here, 2 will be carry forwarded. Now this is 123. This is the answer. You see 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Am I right? Both are same. What a magic, what a game it is. It is really game mathematics. You must have enjoyed. So friends, just further go ahead for better understanding. Let's do the square of 1616. You see, I'm bypassing all the steps. Directly I'm multiplying. 16 square is 256. 256 1 is 256. 256 into 2 is 512. Again 256. Now what I have to do? 56 I have to keep. 2 will be carry forward. This is 14. 5 will be carry forward. This is 61 2. That's it. This is the answer. How many seconds? 5 seconds. Enjoyed? That's the nice game. That's the enjoyable game. So friends, now I can give you some homework that you will do at your home, and you practice and share me the answer in the comment section. Okay, some examples I can give you. You see, just find out what is the square of 13. Okay, just 2 digits recurring. Then just give me the square of 3 in both the concepts. Okay, in both the concept, this can be done in today's concept, this can be done in our previous concept also, that is a recurring of 3. Okay, r of 3, and another one is r of 33. Please do it, these two, and share in the comments. So friends, for today this is. In our next video we will further extend, that will be the last video for squaring the recurring of numbers. Till then, thank you so much. Goodbye.